Well, what a beautiful day in central Iowa it is. It's not sunny, but I think it's 77 degrees out right now. Not sure where the dogs are. Well, Jody said Buddy's up in the house. Jesse, who knows where she is. But yeah, crops are growing. Everything's going good. Got the old project truck down in here, the 1993 Ford F150 XL 4x4 6-cylinder. She's got air conditioning and she's a 4-speed. Got the I think it's a T18 4-speed in it, which according to the Windows sticker that I have was I think $122 option. That shifter's not in here. I've got this all torn apart, but um, anyway, guys, got going a little slow on this. This had other things going on, but got that out today. The transfer case is out, and when I did that, she dumped a bunch of. I had this drained. I had the transmission drained, but still, when I pulled them apart, dropped a bunch of transmission fluid all over the floor. So cleaning that up, and then probably tomorrow I'll come down here. Got to take the cross member out, and then get the transmission out. Probably gonna have to take the whole bell housing out. See what's going on with that clutch. May have to get a whole new clutch. Whole new clutch for this thing really doesn't cost very much. Like, well, I think on Rock Auto, $100 you can get a new clutch and a good one. And I got a sniff. My nose is running like crazy. Anyway, taking this out, this linkage right here had a bushing in it. I could not get it apart at all. I tried and tried and tried, and finally ended up just burning it out. I guess you can get those at the parts store pretty cheap. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have to get a new gasket for this here, but I'm gonna try to get the transmission out of this tomorrow and see what's going on in the clutch. Maybe I can just clean it all out and put it back together. At the same time, it's kind of a lot of work to take this all apart. So maybe just put a whole new clutch in it. They don't cost a whole lot, but I don't know. The guy that owned it before, the guy that owned it before me only had it for about a week and a half, and the guy that owned it before him owned it for quite some time and said it worked fine till a mouse got in the clutch and wound up a bunch of stuff in there. So anyway, I got the transfer case out. These things, I use a transmission jack. If you had two people, they they're really not very heavy. You could probably lower that down, manually, probably 40 or 50 pounds. I don't know, something like that. But to do that, you got to take the rear drive shaft off, the front drive shaft off, get that linkage undone, and let's see, a couple electrical connections, I think, and then just lower it down, just unbolt it and lower it down. Ah, my nose is running like crazy. I don't know if it's allergies or I don't know what's going on, but it's just nasty. But anyway, other than that, not a whole lot going on. Just a beautiful day, and Jody's up in the house making. We're gonna have chicken Alfredo tonight, but I don't really want to get back underneath this thing tonight because I dropped a bunch of transmission fluid underneath here, even though I had them both drained. So I got some cat litter down there. Trying to soak that up, get that cleaned up, tomorrow morning and then come in here and take the cross member out and get the transmission out, and we'll see what we're dealing with. But that's for tomorrow. But yeah, getting that darn bushing. I heard, I just hit that on the mirror, but talk to some people and they say, yeah, over time it's a rubber bushing and they get all hard and they're just a bitch to get off. And I finally just gave up and just burned it out. Need to lube all that up. Not real stiff, but it needs cleaned up. Probably clean a lot of this up. But anyway, I took the this rubber mat, I pulled it back, got the access panel out. To do that, you got to take these, I don't know even know what you call them. These things. Where are they? These guys. Take them out. And they actually came out remarkably easy after I sprayed some stuff up underneath. Didn't come out too bad for as old as she is. I don't know if they've ever been out before or not, but I think I did. Yeah, I did. I did crack that one right over there. Yeah, snot on my hand. I did crack that one over there. I've got some more of these somewhere, I think. If not, you can get them pretty cheap or go to the salvage yard and pick them up. But anyway, that's what's going on here. I can tell you one thing, this PB Blaster, I usually use liquid wrench, ran out, and the only store around had PB Blaster. I got that. Boy, that stuff stinks. I definitely need a shower tonight. I've been rolling around in that stuff. But anyway, that's going on, or what's going on with the project truck. So yeah, got to when you take that out, if you have a manual shift, you got to undo all of your levers and everything down here. Not a big deal. If you take that access panel out, it really helps. So I would definitely do that. We do have some floor rot here, not anything too severe. We can patch that up pretty easy. And get this thing, door doesn't shut very good, but get this thing up and running again. Might just drive it for a while. I actually thought about getting a plow for the front of it so my dad doesn't have to come over and plow my driveway out. I don't know. It really wouldn't take too much to fix it up. Just a couple front fenders. The hood's good. This door is good. Cab corners need replaced. They need replaced. The whole bed needs replaced. Might have a connection on that. But other than that, the rockers are in good shape. This door's shot. And she'd be good to go. So really wouldn't take a whole heck of a lot. These new tires. Probably new tires and wheels. I don't know what to do with this. Keep it stock and just put new tires on it and, polish these wheels up, or you can get new wheels. I don't know. Not really a big issue right now. But anyway, guys, this is going kind of long. Just thought I'd update you here on what's going on and probably have a video out. I'm going to try to have one out on Sunday. Show you what's going on up in the clutch. But just got done pulling that out. And yeah, I'm going to sign off now because we're we're going way long. So have a good night, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.